So I want to do something a little different here today. I wanted to make a personal video for you and talk about myEcon and a couple of specific things, okay? I want you to look right here, okay? I'm gonna crop in some income, and I haven't been sharing income with you. It's normally not something that I do with myEcon or specifically lately here because it's not about me, it's not about my accomplishments, it's about you and what you can do. But this is literally just 1 week right here, 1 week's worth of commissions. I actually have two accounts. I have an account for me, I have an account for my wife, and that's over $5,000 in 1 week. Some people don't even make that in an entire month, maybe even 2 months, and that is what's possible with myEcon. Now, why do I make that much? And add that up. What if you were getting that every single week? That would be over $20,000 a month. It's just completely life-changing income. And if I could do this, you can do this too, 100%. I'm just a guy who got started and I never quit. I never gave up. And I see it all the time. I've been doing this for years. There's so many people out there that they start and then they don't get results within a day or a week or a month, and they give up and they quit. And then they move on to the next thing, and the cycle just continues where it's starting and stopping and quitting and starting and stopping and quitting. And it just gets you nowhere, my friend. I show you and teach you and train you how to do every single thing that I do. Every single thing that I've ever learned, I give that to you for free when you're on our myEcon team. That's it. Like, you have the ability to apply what I've learned over multiple years of not only promoting myEcon, but promoting multiple other businesses. You have the opportunity to be a sponge and do everything that I do to get results, to create multiple 5 figures per month in income. And I'm not saying that's guaranteed. Big fat income disclaimer, results not typical. But guess what? Don't be typical. Don't be like everybody else where you start and quit and start and quit and start and quit. Just keep fucking going. That's it. That's how I got successful. That's how I make 5 figures per month. I never quit. I never stop moving forward. And again, not about me. It's about you and what you can accomplish. I'm simply just sharing with you and showing you what's possible. That's why this channel is here, is just to show you what's possible if you keep going. That's it. You have the opportunity to learn everything that I could possibly teach you, and I'm going to give you everything that I could possibly give you. Funnels, email follow-up. I'm going to do the email follow-up for you so you don't have to. I'm going to give you an app so you can run your entire business from an app. I'm going to do all of the marketing, the content, and everything for you. You just have to take it and friggin' use it. Everything. You're literally getting everything. So stop the damn excuses. Stop finding ways to quit. It all comes down to this right here, my friend. And I'm going to wrap it all up with this. If you want success in myEcon or in life for that matter, keep moving forward every single day. Don't ever stop. That's all you got to do is just keep moving forward. And if you do that and you work on this right here, your mindset. Everyone gets too worried about all the techie shit. You start worrying about like apps and content and hashtags and what are the best times to post and all this other shit. None of that stuff matters. What matters is what's in here. Because if you don't quit and you don't give up, you're working on this, you're strengthening this, you're improving this every single day. And if you improve this, your mindset and your attitude every single day, you'll never quit. You'll never give up. You'll never stop moving forward, and you will find success. It won't be a matter of if it happens. It'll just be a matter of when. That's it. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you got any sort of value from this video at all, I got to switch hands because my hand's starting to shake here a little bit again. Getting a little tired holding the phone. So plain and simple, my friend, like if you want success, keep moving forward, work on this every single day, and you will find it. You can rule out the if. You can take away the if. So it's not if this works, if myEcon works for you, if it's successful, if you get results. You get rid of that by constantly moving forward, by investing into your mindset and your attitude. And then it just becomes when. And when is a beautiful thing. So if you want 5-figure months, if you want 5-figure weeks, get started and don't ever stop moving forward. That's it. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you.